Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to do a quick do-it-yourself video. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. You'll see that top bulb is burned out, so I'm going to replace that. For that job, all you need, on this particular truck at least, all you need is a T15. You got one screw here, one screw there, and then the whole thing pops out, and then you just change the bulb. Okay, so all you can do is remove a couple T15 screws. One up here. Just grab the light. It's got like a little clip or something over here, but you just give it a tug. There, so now it's out. Just lean it back. I'll put the camera in the right spot in there. You just turn. Pop the bulb out. Pop the new one in. I'll just leave it temporarily. Okay, now you can see that it's working. Okay, so now you just bump it back in and put the two screws back in. Very simple job, but like I said, we want to put up these do-it-yourself videos just to help someone who maybe never done something like this before. It's a very simple job, but there's always a first time for somebody. Put your last screw back in. There, just like that, done. And the number for the light bulb for this truck, 7443. Anyway guys, I know it was a pretty short video, but thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.